I am Akash. So today I will let you know how you can use the Canva app. It is very popular app to create our social media icons or post or some browser. So it is just in trend. I will let you know how you can use the Canva. First, you can search for the canva.com. Here I have already opened. This is a canva.com is open here. When you enter in this website, the interface will come just like this, and you can search for the thing what you need to make. Okay, if you want to make a social media post, logos, any document you need to design, anything you can design here, like printed one, so you can just easily design here. So first, I will teach you how to make a Instagram post. I will click on this Instagram post. Let's see inside this. Okay, so here we have our Canva. From this button, we can just zoom and zoom out the Canva. Here in the left hand side, we have some options. These are designing. Sorry, these are the designing elements, text, brands, uploads, and each of them I will let you know how you can use this all. Okay, so first I will go with the designing. You can search here like what are the things you need to make for the post is related with that. Okay, so I just right now I am making a social Republic Day post. So I will just search here and for the Republic Day, and it's a paid version. That's why it's showing none of them you can see here like the it's a non-paid. So otherwise you will have the watermark in the this templates. Okay, so you can easily take that like with the teaching module also you can take that. Okay, so first I will select on this like what I need to make a post regarding with that. Okay, so I will just click on this part, so it is looking good. And some more I will see here, like I will click on this post. For the knowledge, I will just let you know that is a GIF, so that's why it's a video. So thing is that first we have to select this post, and now we have the edit access of in this. Like I can just edit this text I want. I can write, and I can write or anything I can write here. And I need a logo here. So okay, so any logo, like whatever logo you have, so you can upload here with this file, like uploading your logo here. After uploading, you can just drag and drop. So I will just click here and upload one logo related with that only. Okay, so currently I don't have any. So what I will do, just take one icon as a flower. This will be my logo, and here you can search for the elements is kind of thing in which you can just create the naturally things. Okay, so it's a designing elements you can use from here. After that, selecting this, you can must have this logo, and that logo you can paste it here. Okay, so it's a sample, so anything you can paste here and write your brand name. Okay, after writing the brand name, you can just have this designing to be as per your uh, suitable requirement. You can just edit on this. Okay, so basically I'm just doing some editing on this. It's looking good, and the space is also covered. Now I need to increase this part as well, so this may also look good as per the size. This is something like that, you can change the color. Okay, and after changing the color, you can just, here we have like undo button, control Z also is its shortcut, that also you can use. Okay, and here we can edit anything like in the element, we can just adjust this as per our requirement. So we have just anything you can edit here. So thing is that after the editing, like you can make anything here, like the color changing with the font, so you can select a white color on here. If you want to change this color, this text, so you can just change the text from here. Here you have the font options. You can change this font, anything you will do. Okay, as per your requirement you can just do here. And the logo, as I told you, like you can have this logo, anything, any logo. So you can have this logo with while uploading here the file, the logo file, and you can access this logo from the here. Okay, you can just select it here and open, and so it will come here, and that you can just drag and drop and use here. Okay, so like this things are working. After clicking on any of the text, if you want to just duplicate it, then and there you can have the option for this duplicate option. You can just click on this, you have the duplicate, and you can enter your website like www dot and whatever xyz. I will just write xyz.com. Okay, so like this, for the sample I have just written this. Okay, you can just minimize and increase the size of the text and just place it anywhere, like wherever it will look good, so you can use this. After this, if you want to just extract or download this file, what you need to do, you will need to just click on the share. Here we have multiple options like send to teacher, and this is a like paid version, but so this is a basically I have taken the student subscription. So we have the option of download here, so I will click on the download. Okay, here it will ask for the png file and multiple file it will ask for that, like video, svg, pdf, print, PDF standard, PNG, JPG. So I suggest you to go with this both. Like you can select for the JPG. JPG is required for the like covering full image, and PNG is just like transparent one. So I will click on the JPG. Here you can select for the like qualities and the quality and the size of that. So size is 1080. So we have taken this. Basically, the social media Instagram post is taking 1080 size, so cross 1080, which is a square. So I suggest you to prefer go with this only. And after that, you can just click on the download. The file should be downloaded very easily, and you can access it immediately here. I will click on this. I will let you know how it's looking. As you see, like this is the post what we have made. So multiple posts you can make very easily in the like some of the minutes or some hours. It's depending on your qualities, like how you are working with that. And other than that, if you want any element, anything, like if you want to make some offer post or something like that, you can make here. Like if I need to offer something, offer post, special offer, we'll click on this. So they have multiple template. Replace the current, I will click on this. Like here I can change the image of my product, like this is the product of someone who is selling the jewelry. After that, I will just click on here for the element. In the element here we have the option of photos, frames, videos. So we have to click on the photos. Okay, so here I will just, if I want to sell some of toys. Okay, so I will baby toy. I will click on the baby toys, and here we have multiple options like which toy I need to share here. Okay, so I will click any one of them, and I will just drag and drop this here, and I can adjust the image here as per my need. So it's looking good, like 20% off, and here I can have my offer in the text, and that should be just printed out in the download from the download. That's it. Thank you for watching my this channel, Canva tutorial. In the next video I will let you know how to make a logo. So be continue with me in this journey. Thank you.